Modern cars are basically rolling computers these days, right? ECMs, TCMs, BCMs, all other manner of CMs, controlling everything from engine management to infotainment. Hi, I'm Dorman Training Instructor Pete Meier from Motor Age Magazine. Let me show you how dealing with all these CMs is easy with the Autel Ultra S2. When a module is replaced or a component swapped out, it often becomes necessary to either tell the module what to do, that is, program it, or tell it that something different has been added, a procedure called coding. The easiest way to understand the difference between the two, and the easiest way to explain it to your customers, lies in something that nearly all of us have: cell phones. You ever get that message on your phone that says update available? Well, that means that changes are going to be made to the operating system in the phone, or reprogrammed, telling the phone what service we want to use it on, AT&T or T-Mobile or whatever. That fills in a blank on the programming, and that's coding. You ever deal with a tricky drivability issue like rough idles or hesitation? Depending on who you ask, 20 to 40% of these are fixed just by a quick update. Knowing that early in the diagnostic process can save you from swapping parts unnecessarily and losing valuable time. OEMs put out TSBs, that's technical service bulletins, with software updates, and you probably heard of the term reflash, to sort out stuff like a funky transmission shift or a stubborn emissions code. If we ignore the bulletins, customers come back complaining. The PO420 that won't stay gone, or the mill that comes on with a misfire code and you can't find the misfire. Too often, overlooking and applying these updates ends up costing consumers a lot of money on unnecessary and ineffective repairs. Sometimes these reflashes are issued to improve performance or keep things legal. In our CAN bus world, up-to-date programming keeps the ABS, airbags, and even the radio all playing nice together, making the whole vehicle safer and more reliable. Unfortunately, when reprogramming or coding is called out for in a technical service bulletin or as part of a service process, many techs ignore it and they send the car on its way without it. That can get messy, guys. One common example is failing to code a battery replacement. The new battery is going to have a short lifespan as the ECM treats it like it did the old weak one you replaced, overcharging the new one in the process. Safety-wise, forgetting ABS coding could knock out stability control, upping accident risks in bad weather. Roughly 60% of post-repair headaches come from skipping these steps. Don't be one of those guys. Do it right and keep your reputation solid. Enter the Ultra S2. This diagnostic powerhouse provides you with everything you'll need to do the job right, including any necessary coding or programming. You can select the programming operation from the AutoScan screen. The selections under this menu option will vary by vehicle make and model. Let's start with the easy one first, coding. The main section of the coding screen displays a list of vehicle components and the coding information that mainly consists of two parts. All available systems for coding are displayed on the left side and the coding data or value on the right side. Check the vehicle condition and the coding information carefully. Use the functional button to edit the codes for the corresponding components. Reprogramming is a little more intense and does require a little training to be comfortable with the process. Simple mistakes can cause you to brick a module, turning a very expensive computer into a doorstop. But the Autel S2 gives you the tools you need to be successful. It ships with the VCMI. That's a J2534 PassThru device, and that enables you to program modules yourself when connected to a Windows PC and the applicable OE-subscribed software. Or you can use Autel's Remote Expert platform to contract with an experienced programmer with the necessary OE software and tooling. Programming is a key process in our line of work. Nail it, and you'll cut down on comebacks, wow your customers, and add revenue to your bottom line. Got questions? Want to see us dive deeper into the art of reprogramming? Let us know in the comments.